Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of interior design as we explore the best ways to spruce up your living room in 2024. So if you're ready to transform your space into a haven of style and comfort, stick around because we've got some fantastic living room ideas coming your way. Alright, let's kick things off with the best ways to decorate a living room. First up, let's talk about those blank walls. One of the easiest ways to add personality and charm to your space is by decorating the walls with good wallpapers. Whether you opt for a bold pattern or a subtle texture, wallpapers can instantly elevate the look of any room. Next on our list is furniture, and we're not talking about just any furniture, we're talking about high-quality custom-made pieces. Investing in custom furniture allows you to create a unique and tailored look that perfectly suits your style and space. Now, let's talk about window treatments. Hanging modern curtains can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your living room while also providing privacy and controlling light. And last but not least, don't forget about the floors. Installing rugs and carpets can instantly warm up your space and add a cozy vibe to your living room. Things to consider before decorating your living room. Before you dive headfirst into decorating your living room, there are a few things you'll want to consider. First off, think about which way your living room will face. Natural light and views can greatly influence the layout and design of your space. Next up, let's talk budget. It's essential to establish a budget before you start decorating to ensure that you don't overspend. Remember, you can still achieve a stylish look without breaking the bank. Decorate your living space to increase your comfort. Now, let's shift our focus to comfort. After all, what good is a beautifully decorated living room if it's not comfortable? Incorporate plush seating, soft textures, and cozy throws to make your space inviting and relaxing. And there you have it, folks, some top-notch living room ideas to help you create a space that's as stylish as it is comfortable. Whether you're a fan of bold patterns or minimalist designs, there's something for everyone in 2024's interior design trends. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home decor tips and tricks. Until next time, happy decorating!